Are you one of those people who scrolls on their phone late at night and then struggles to wake up in the morning? Lack of sleep is one of the biggest problems in today's fast world. We all know sleep is important, but still, most people ignore it. When you don't sleep enough, your brain feels foggy, your mood becomes irritated, and your energy levels drop. Over time, it can even affect your heart, memory, and immune system. So, how can you improve your sleep? First, set a routine. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This trains your body clock. Second, reduce screen time at least 1 hour before bed. The blue light from phones, TVs, and laptops tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Instead, do something relaxing, like reading a book, listening to calm music, or meditating. Third, make your bedroom comfortable. A dark, cool, and quiet room improves sleep quality. Even a small change like dimming the lights can help. And finally, avoid caffeine, heavy meals, or sugary snacks at night. If you feel hungry, go for something light, like warm milk or herbal tea. Remember, good sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Once you fix your sleeping habits, you'll notice more energy, sharper focus, and a happier mood